Hello! Welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is tazwells. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial, and it's going to be some items from PRIMARK. Before we get into the video and I show you what the product is, I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff first, which is if you like the video, the product, the advice, anything in this video, then let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up. It tells me what you want to see, what you like. The video can go round and other people can see it, other people can like it, and all good, and let me know by giving it that thumbs up. Come and subscribe to tazwells12. You can hit the subscribe button on my main page and join in to the YouTube journey, channel, love family, wherever you would like. There's a bell notification button. If you click that too, it would advise you when I've uploaded a new video and notify you when you want to see it. Click the share button down below if you want to share the video with your friends and family. Comment down below as well if there's anything you like in the video, suggestions, anything like that. Let me know down below. I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I am or do mention. This is just an advice video for you guys. A product I looked when I went in Primark and thought, yeah, that'd be quite good, let's try that out. But that is it. That's literally it, and that's just an advice video for you guys and no sponsor. Check out my two accounts on Instagram. So you have tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Now we will get into the makeup review testing tutorial video. The product we're going to review today is actually two products, but they're like sort of the same but different shades. Are these lip plumpers from Primark. So I have two different shades. So the first one is this lip plumper lip gloss. This is the clear shimmer one. Apparently it gives you instant volume and plumping, affect the lips, makes lips look fuller and smoother, makes lips feel moisturized, infused with vitamin E. So that's the first one, that's the clear one. And then we also have in the same like make, but a pink shimmer one. So I thought, you know what, instead of doing them in two separate videos, let's just do them together, but like one after the other, because one of these surprised me when I opened it. I thought it was going to look a lot different than what it was. I think we should go for the pink shimmer first. I am going to clip my hair up. I know it's not in the way of my lips or my mouth, but I just do this anyway so you have a clear view. As you could see when I showed you the lip plumper, I did only pay £3 each for these. I saw these advertised in 2022, that's when I bought them, on TikTok I think it was. I had seen this one, which I'll get out in a moment, but the clear shimmer I hadn't. So that one's the one that shocked me a little bit. So I've opened these up and I've kept them in the boxes because obviously I wanted to do this video with you. This is what they look like, which kind of shocks me because they are looking like, it's a very like pretty pink, but they are like shocking me. Like the fact is they look like an eye shimmer, which it's a bit crazy. It looks very shimmery, glittery in the bottle. So that's what the bottle looks like. It's just a very basic packaging. There is 3.5 ml in each of these. Let's get this pink one on the lips and we can see what it is like. So I think this is the one I did see on, so I can show you that I have not even tried this. I've just wiped a little bit on the side. I haven't got no scent. I haven't got no taste either. You know where they normally taste like sweet toffee? It's actually really pretty. Actually. But I definitely feel a burning sensation. I'm not sure if that's any good. I suppose it's working. I don't know if they're meant to be a dupe or something, like, you know, like the lip injections. Never tried that myself. Have heard like from friends and that's quite a good like lip plumping lip gloss from Too Faced. I don't know if these are meant to be a dupe for that. I'm guessing they're doing something like the actual colour and it on the lips actually is really, really nice. I really quite like it. I have tried plumping lip glosses before, but they never like feel like they're burning. This feels like they're burning. I don't know if that's the right form to make your lips like that. Right, I'm gonna let this sort of settle for like 2 or 3 minutes, and then we can like, I'll come back when it's kind of clicked down and we can see what's happening. So the plumping lip gloss, the pink shimmer one, I have left on for a good couple minutes since I left you last. I think it has done something, and it's still doing something. It's literally like burning my lips. I'm gonna try and get a wipe and wipe this off in a minute, but I actually really like the colour of that. I think it's really pretty. I didn't think it would be as nice, but I think it has done something. I think it's definitely made it all a bit plumpier, which is quite good, but it is still plumping. It's still going. So let's take this off and let's try the clear shimmer one, because I don't know if it's one that you put on to prep and then leave, or it is literally just like a normal lip gloss. But my lips do look more fuller, but we are still burning, and I'm dubious to put this on, but we tried both, so hopefully this one's not going to be as potent as that, but it's probably going to be. So this is the clear shimmer. To me that looks like, again, a liquid eyeshadow, and it's kind of making it dubious that it's going to look really glittery. I thought it was going to be like a proper clear lip gloss. I've got one from like Revolution, but I thought this was going to be the same, but clearly not. It's got shimmer in it, so could have gathered that on, but might prove me wrong when put it on, and it could be like really, really pretty. Hoping because the first one did its deed of burning my lips, this one is not gonna. Okay, I'm a little bit undecisive about this, because now I put it on, it definitely like feels or looks more like a clear lip gloss. If you know what I mean. This is what the clear like shimmer look like. No, it's gonna burn. I can feel it burning. I am a little bit dubious that it is burning, but that may be how a plumping lip gloss does work. Let's say Lip Plumper is a sheer colour with maximum effect. Oh, there we go. So on it, this product creates a tingling sensation. If the irritation or strong discomfort occurs, remove and discontinue use. I've had a lip plumper before, like I said, the Revolution one, but I'm a little bit concerned that it's making my lips really, really sore, and it's like it's not like a tingling, it's more like a burning. And I don't know if you can see, but my lips look too like proper red. I'm gonna take it off because I'm a little bit concerned with it, as I kind of don't want it to burn my lips. And because this is the first time I've kind of used it, I'm a little bit dubious that this is burning is keep going, which is fine. I'll put a lip balm over it. I'm just going to put a normal lip balm over it. Why I'm a little bit concerned is because it is quite like a burning sensation on my lips. You might be completely different when you tried it. If you have tried this product, PLUMPER, which is the clear shimmer and the pink one, let me know, because it might be completely fine. What I'm probably going to do is, normally I edit these videos straight away. Like, I'll give you the thumbs up or something, like the rating of it. Just put that on just to soothe it. But what I might do, I think I'm gonna call back in a little bit later just to see if the tingling's gone down. I have like got any really bad irritation from it, because this is literally the first time I've used it. I only opened the packets to literally look at the colours. I think I'm gonna check in later to see if the sensation's gone down, and also if the pain, or not pain, but the burning has gone away. The burning's going down since I've took it off and put that on. I definitely think it's made a difference, and maybe that's why it was such a big, not pain, but like quite burning. It's like burning. Like, I thought if I left it on any longer. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to check in later and I'll let you know if my lips have gone down, and then also I will check in tomorrow to see if there's been any irritation or my lips have gone back to normal, because I'm just a little bit concerned up here. It looks very sore and red. That might be to the fact I did put two different ones on. They're the same product, but you know, when I just took one off and then put it on again. I'm going to do that because I think that's the best option. It gives the product the most thing. If I do not come back out with a reaction, or it's made my lips really dry, or a burning sensation on it, or left a red mark up here, then I might just use these for like literally prepping. You normally do like a lip scrub and then lip balm over the top, or you could do a lip scrub and then put one of these over the top just to make your lips plumper, and then put a bit of this over so it gives it ready for the application of your normal like lip liner and stuff. I think that's what I'm going to do, because I don't feel I've given this the best I could have done. It's definitely gone down, but I am very concerned that that looks very red up there, and that may be because this is what that product does. But I will be back later. As you can see, this is a couple of days later. Right, the lip glosses, plumper ones, did not give me any mark. It didn't hurt it or anything. So to be fair, they do their job. So don't be afraid when that does happen, but they are very nice. But literally, it did sting a little bit. If you feel like that is hurting you, maybe take a different one, like take this with you, or put this on originally and then take another lipstick or lip gloss with you just to change it over if you feel like it is still quite pain intense, and maybe some wipes or a bit of tissue. But they do their job, and they're very nice at the end of the day. So you have got the clear and the pink. I think I did give her a rating. I might have done. Rating for these lip glosses were like a high maybe, because I'm not used to a plumping lip gloss as strong as these, which I'm quite surprised for Primark. but that in a way is not a bad thing. I'm gonna say it's a high maybe. It's not something I would reach for all the time, but I would definitely reach if I wanted a bit of more plumper lip and then put a different lip gloss on. This could always be your like prep work, and then your lip gloss is your finishing touch. A high maybe in my rating. Unfortunately, this has come to the end of the makeup review testing tutorial video on the Primark PS lip plumper sheer colour with maximum effect in pink shimmer and clear shimmer. My rating was a high maybe. The products are not bad, but just be careful, they do burn a little bit. Like I said, I have come to the end of the video. If you like the products, if you like the video, then please definitely give it a thumbs up, because it always helps me out to know what you want to see, what you want to like for the future, and other people see it, other people like it, and the video will go around. So give it a smashing thumbs up. Come and subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button on my main page, and you'll be part of the love family. And also hit the bell notification when you be notified of the newest video. Click the share button if you want to share it with your friends and family. Also comment down below any suggestions, any feedback, let me know down below. I will 100% comment back to you and like comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I did mention. This is an advice video out just for you guys, and it's not sponsored at all. Check my 2 accounts on Instagram, which have tazwells12, tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for supporting as well, because I know a few of you are coming to join, so that's perfect. I hope you have a lovely evening or a lovely day. I'll see you soon, guys.